So, this is my Speed Triple. I usually like Rennsport tires. It has the MIV exhaust. And noise killer is there. Now we now have this Ducati rim with spacer here and here. Triumph fat bars. This used to have the chrome bar. And I have the Sargent seat. This is much more wider here and the protector, and the previous owner had put this kind of protector so you can tie things and it doesn't get scratched. Then it has the carbon protectors for the frame, Kawasaki sliders, still stock brakes. I have polish head that one. For the track I pilot these Sharpers so your feet doesn't slip. I have the Philips bulb so it has more brighter lights, and the Sargent seat has a heater here so you can sort of put the heater, and this is the thermostat. And I have the temp meter here so I can see the temperature. And then there's this protector. This was from the previous owner too. I still have this stock tail and stock mirrors and all that kind of stuff. GSK slider, and I have those front bobbins too. Now I have the Rennsport front and Z6 at the back, but my other rim has some other stuff. This is self-made slider, sort of same as the Triumph has this sort of shift light. You can use that. This is one of the best motorcycles I ever had. I had many of these. But many other bikes. It's quite okay for even touring. I made a trip to Lapland during the first year I had this, and I have done many track days and it's good for track too. Just a great overall bike. There's nothing exceptional about it except the torque of course, but nowadays I'm running the Arrow map, sort of modified. It was that Harry S modifiable for economy, so the cruise area is leaner. You get better mileage with it. That's about it. I'm going to change the next bike when I find something better. but it hasn't happened yet. And some of those, one good option could be the newer model, but I basically need to put like 10 grand more in Finland, because we have high taxation here to get the new model. So it's not really worth when this goes just fine. Also, maybe Ducati Street Fighter could be a good choice also. But it's a little bit more hardcore. This is quite laid back here and just driving around. But that's it.